Welcome to Butlerbuilt Professional Seat Systems today. We have David Green, past Busch Grand National champion, who is being fitted for some new seats. And today we're going to go through the proper procedures that we follow in generating the numbers it takes to build this seat. First thing that we're going to do today in preparing to measure David for a seat is we need to remove any loose or baggy clothing. We need to also remove any bulky items from the pockets that will affect accurate measurement we need, and anything that is going to affect the quality of a measurement. A flexible tape measure is most commonly used to generate these measurements. One of the things that is absolutely imperative when these measurements are being made is that this tape measure is held in a perfectly straight line. We do not want to flex it or curve it around the curvatures of the body. That will generate a completely inaccurate number. We need only 7 accurate measurements to manufacture a seat just for you. The first measurement we're going to take is across the hip area. This helps us generate the actual width of the seat bottom. The procedure that we follow is to sit in a nice, comfortable position where the knees are spread just slightly, just like you would be sitting in a race car. The measurement is actually across the widest part of the hip, right in front of the groin area. In this particular case, we have some panels set up against the side of the hip where we can literally bring a tape measure across from side to side to generate that exact width of the hip. The second dimension is to determine the rib height of the seat structure. David is sitting in a nice comfortable position with his hands in his lap. One of the first things we're going to do is have him sit with good posture. It's very important to get an accurate dimension. Next, we will have him bring his right arm in front of and at 90 degrees to his body. And I'm going to come around and make sure that he hasn't raised his shoulder, that both shoulders need to be level. Placing the tape measure vertically from the tabletop to the underarm area of David's body, we want a dimension 1 finger width below the armpit. For measurement number 3, maintain the same sitting position, measure from the tabletop vertically to the top of the shoulder as such. We want this measurement to be at the base of the neck. This measurement is to determine the shoulder harness height position. For measurement number 4, with David's back to me, we will bring his arms away from his body slightly so we have a clear line of sight under the arms. Approximately 1.5 inches below the armpit, we will bring the tape measure from side to side to determine the width of his torso. It is imperative that the tape measure be held in an absolute straight line. This measurement is critical in determining the correct seat back width. For measurement number 5, David is standing with his back against a wall. Bringing his arm away from his body slightly to have a clear line of sight under the arm, we take a measurement from the flat surface of the wall to the front of the chest cavity. For female drivers, we want a measurement just below the breast. This is to determine the proper sizing of the seat. For measurement number 6, maintain good posture and look straight ahead. Measure vertically from the tabletop to the center of the cheek. This is to help us determine the correct placement of the head surround. For measurement number 7, David will bring his arms away from his body slightly. This measurement is taken approximately 2 inches below the top of the shoulder. This measurement is to ensure the proper placement of the shoulder supports.
Hello, my name is David Green, and thank you for watching the Butlerbuilt seat measurement procedure video. You'll find that each one of these steps are really critical to not only a comfortable seat, but a safe seat and a performance-enhancing seat. You'll find, or I've found, that over 20 plus years of NASCAR racing, a championship and several race wins, that one key element and ingredient to my success, bar none, is a good fitting, safe seat. And at Butlerbuilt, you'll get just that. So after today's video, if you have any questions, feel free to contact Butlerbuilt. Thank you, and good luck at the races.